This is like a sound stage. Greetings everyone, I'm in Target and Dad's been wanting this sukkah, so I'm picking it up for him as well as some tapered candles so we can do our Advent tonight. Bye bye! And more Christmas related news. Dad's Christmas gift from me just came. Want to say that cuss word we learned? It's a good one. Dad okayed Bryan for lunch. Look at how beautiful. Good afternoon. It's Monday. The stupidest day of the week, quite possibly. It's like 3:30. We're gonna go get our little baby bro from school. I don't want him to hear me. I think we're gonna go to World Market. I'm gonna surprise Dad and take him there. He loves going there at Christmas time. So hopefully he didn't hear that. So anyways, we're gonna do that tonight. We're gonna have Advent. These are the cute little candles. These are the cute little candles that I got for Advent. They're just tapery. I think I showed them earlier this morning. Advent for us is when you like light the candle, meow, bark, and then you have like treatsies, like German cookies. So we got these. And then crisp butter cookies. Cute, huh? I think my story is complete for this check-in. And as I said to Dad, I'm satisfied with my care. Welcome to Dad's winter fit story, honey. I like your gray ensemble.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna say tomorrow's challenge is, tomorrow I want it to be the day where you record all the videos. It's gonna be its own vlog. It's gonna be its own VLOGMAS. Yeah, and tomorrow we're getting Botox for the first time in 2 years almost. This is all natural up in here. So tomorrow you're gonna do anything you can think of, make it different, make it Dad, make it your own, and I'll help remind you. But I'm not making any videos tomorrow, only Dad is. Are you nervous?
I'm stressed.
So no, it'll be so fun.
You're gonna start jotting down ideas.
And time again, Dad, all I wanna say is,
I love you.
no, you're the one. We're headed into Super Target to get a gingerbread house. We're gonna build a gingerbread house tonight for the story, and Uggs are sliding it. They have Rapunzel's tower, mansions, townhouses, and then bro will find it. Oh look, they've got all these too, but I just want to do regular.
Like little individual mini
house. Oh, that's darling. Yo, what's up? So we're taking our bro. She wants to work on her craft, her basketball craft. So we're taking her to the hospital. Just kidding. No, there's like this basketball court down over here by this hospital, and it's like abandoned or something. So she was like, I want to play for a little bit. And I was like, okay, that's fine.
Oh! Wait, were you just dribbling with your right hand?
Yeah.
You are so confusing.
Wow. Wait, why can't I make one? Thank you. So first up, we're gonna work on trying to steal the ball from your opponent. Oh, that was a weird accent. Opponent. Yeah, foul. Oh, good try, Dad. Oh, nothing but board.
As support. No, use this as support and use this one as...
Whoa! Dad was born to be a sports dad. Dad wants me to film from here, but just don't hurt me, bro. Okay, Mr. Sixy. I'm back here to get the good shot. I'm like probably Dee Attenborough, because look.
You want to look right?
I'm like under the basket. I could get hurt, but it's okay. Make this. Kenzie. Kenzie. 15 seconds, gotta get it right. I thought the goal was to stall for it. No. Tell what happened. Kenzie got hers in.
Kenzie made the basket from here, so now it's Dee Dee's turn. Ah! Good job, Dee Dee.
What do I get?
Nothing.
Dad's turn. Oh my God, we're so sporty. Oh, Dad. Oh no. So I get to pick my spot now? Y'all, I've made mine 2 in a row. You guys haven't, but... Dad, that was so good. Oh my God! We're playing horse, and I have an H. Dad was HO, so he was ho, and Judy has HOR, so she was whore. But now Dad is whore too. HOR, and I mean, isn't that cool? You didn't count on me to do well, bro. Mr. Dad is attempting his first dad pointer. Silence on the court.
No.
Dee Dee, try it. We all have to try the 3-point line. Dee Dee, come on. We're like real bro dads now. Come on. It went in. I didn't catch it though. I'm gonna make both. Let's go inside. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Advent number 1. We're gonna light candles tonight, people. And the most important part of the important that's important with a G is we're making a classic gingerbread house with Kenzie. She set this up. Okay, come a little bit closer. Kenzie Holgate's gonna bring us to December 4th. Go!
There and then 22.
So how many days till we leave for Grandma's?
2,
16.
4, 6, 8, 10.
16 more days in Texas, baby.
6.
Behind the scenes of the first Advent. What's up, Dad? Oh, she saw it.
Oh man.
I know. I'll have to pick the cookies out, Dad. Do you know where they are?
No.
Okay, next to Toasty.
Toaster Strudel. Welcome to the 25th annual Advent. We're putting German cookies on plates. Cut. While the merry bells keep ringing. We start with these. And eventually the flame will get so powerful it will coo, coo, coo,
It doesn't.
coo, coo, coo. Our ancestors brought this from where?
Germany.
And they carried it on their back across how many plains?
20.
Thank you. Christmas is so satisfying. It really means something more. Well, there's no place like your dance for the holidays. If I run this back, can we just put it in like Tupperware?
Yeah, you can.
That makes things quicker.
That isn't right. It's like
Dad, you can use matches. Dad, you can do the setting up of these.
No, I want you to do it.
No, because it won't look cute.
Can I do it?
Yeah, sure.
Trust you.
Oh my God, those smell good. Smell it.
Butter.
I'm scared.
Winnie,
So we're not gonna obviously eat all those cookies. Like we'll probably even like 1% of them, top 1%.
Correct.
But it's matters for the setup. Before we begin, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about how we do Advent. So every Sunday we light one of the candles on the Advent wreath. We snuggle. We sing. Hosanna, Hosanna. Hong Klang Clown. We do a lot of dancing. Amongst many other goofy things. We read books and eat treats. Two coconut and one banana in papaya tree. And Bro and I always close out the final Advent by doing the Baby Jesus show. Here's a few clips of some Advent memories from the past years. The German candle is being lit, and with the lighting, after the German candles are lit, the music flows from me America is friend to Germany, and we will sing upon our candelabra wreath. Go get us a sage. Stay tuned. The German candles don't blind. How did I do on my performance? What? Hosanna, Hosanna, Hong Klang Clown, roll, 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 clang, glow. Hosanna for the fourth week of the final Germans.
Everybody calm down. It's Advent. Just.
You're fine. Dad, welcome to Advent. We're thankful for all of our ancestors before us.
Hong Kong. When I was just a young child, my Omi set me down and taught me to spell Christmas in this way.
Okay, now we shall do our German dance number. Hang your gingerbreads on the Tannenbaum. That's what this is, right, Dad?
He's actually homophobic.
No.
Your gingerbread is homophobic? He doesn't like gay people?
Wait, that is?
That means they're afraid of gay people.
Oh,
You mean he's
I didn't know that.
Dad tried to get her to play German electric music, but she didn't have that. Alexa, cancel! Alexa! Dad is in his feelings right now because of this Frozen short. It makes him cry. Stop it, Copper. We're doing this performance for Dad. Last year we did the nativity scene, and we were gonna take Kenzie upstairs to get ready for bed. And she said we didn't do the only one tradition we didn't do was baby Jesus. Oh, here we go. Jesus's parents are here. We got Mother Mary. I don't know what Jesus' father's name was, but me. And now, Jerry. Okay, fine.
Now it's time for the little baby Jesus show.
Kenzie wants to do the nativity scene, but hip-hop style. We're gonna say that we robbed a jewelry store on the way to Bethlehem. Mary! Every year we do you up as like a wise man and Jesus' mother. It does not make any sense. The Christs are coming. That's our last name, right?
I think we're ready, guys.
How do we look?
Oh, my shoes.
Do we look like a couple who's ready to have a newborn? I thought we did drag for this. I'm gonna do Flintstones and just go barefoot. Wait, was the real Mary in the book? Was she? Wait, did she have a bump or was it just like out of nowhere? I can't remember.
I don't know.
Okay, watch out, Bethlehem. Here we come. Here we come. I hope you enjoy and please don't be triggered. I mean, like, don't be a snowflake. Just let us have fun, okay?
Number 12, day of Christmas, my teacher gave to me.
Oh, it was recording. Okay, Sakurora. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first Advent of the 2023 year. Now, Dee Dee, what happens when the first candle is lit in historical times in our family?
Dee sing.
I can sing in German when she lights the first candle.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Everybody join in, you know the words. Okay, everybody try a cookie. I want to try shortbread. For butter. What is that?
Yeah.
We got these at Aldi. Some call it Aldi. I don't know what this lady is, but is it good?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yum.
Next week, we'll do our German dancing of like when we're cuckoo clocks, and we'll make Bergebrot cookies. Are you in? But for now, we can listen to some German classic hits. Black licorice cookie. Alexa, play German Christmas music.
Dad.
May I? Hey Kenzie, our Disney cruise check-in is tonight at midnight. Use a hot glue gun. Faster than frosting. We're watching Christmas Chronicles. Dad says it's magical. And then we're working on our Lululemon shop house. Dad, will you write Lululemon on it?
Yeah.
It's the Lululemon gift shop for Christmas. Cool?
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
He's having a "we have really pretty dogs" moment. Dad, what is that song? Ladies and gentlemen, Kenzie Holgate with her completed Bergerbrunman house. Kenzie, why do we call it a Bergerbrunman house?
I don't know how to say
Gingerbread.
So I'd say gingerbread.
What are we making?
Up a house.
Yay!
Good job.
I did the wreath and some lights. Dad did all the frosting and the building of the house. Any other key takeaways?
Kenzie did the walkway all the way around the gumdrop path, and she did the side of the roof.
And our friend sings Santa Baby. Thanks for the memories, Advent 2023. Biage. Look. Dad and me are having a late night snack of we have really pretty cottage cheese. Dad put edible glitter on it.
flash on.
Okay. Dad made
Can you
cottage
see it?
cheese
Does it
and
show
pink
up or
edible
no?
glitter with some
It's like Barbie
raspberry
food.
preserve. It's raspberry Barbie's food. Just Minaki giving Winnie a bath.